Hello and welcome. So let's say Jupyter notebook, and today we are going to discuss about something called spread. And let me do my thing as usual and restart the kernel, and run all cells, then restart. So basically last time we did this mint 10th, this one, the clean df, then we started with the 10th instead of this one. So that's why we are getting negative here. So to get positive, we just change this one to 90th percentile, and here become 10 percentile. Now when we shift enter, we get the real numbers that minus. So now we have this column, and this column need to be seen or need to be displayed on here somewhere. So how can we display this column so that it can be seen after when someone has run this? And not only this one, it should display all other columns. So to start with, or to make this happen, we are going to use spread. And spread is an operator that spreads is just a name. It can be any name, but that spread I'm using it to give the difference between the subtraction. Okay, so let's see how it works next short.